In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a background transparent in Canva. Whether you're looking to create professional graphics or simply want to have a little creative fun, making backgrounds transparent can be a game changer in your design toolset. So, let's dive into the process step by step and get that design looking just the way you want it. Firstly, let's kick off by heading over to Canva. If you haven't already, log into your Canva account. If you need to sign up, it's a quick and straightforward process. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top section of the interface where you'll find the search bar. Right below it, you'll notice the option for Custom Size. Click on that because we're going to set our own parameters for the canvas size. For this tutorial, you'll want to create a canvas that is 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is perfect for a variety of uses, from social media posts to digital artwork. Once those dimensions are set, go ahead and hit Create New Design. This action will open a fresh canvas for you to work on. Moving along, now it's time to focus on the image you want to edit. On the left-hand side of your Canva workspace, there's a panel with various options. Locate and click on the Uploads tab. This is where you can either upload a new image that you want to work with, or select an image that you've previously uploaded. After choosing your desired image, you can click and drag it onto your canvas. From here, you'll have the flexibility to resize or reposition the image as you feel necessary. This is a great opportunity to make sure the subject or the primary focus of your image is exactly where you want it before removing the background. Now let's get on to removing that background. Click on the image you've placed on the canvas. You'll notice a floating toolbar pops up. This toolbar contains various editing options that you can apply to your image. Among these options, locate the one that says BG Remover. Click on it and let Canva work its magic. The BG Remover tool will detect the background and remove it, leaving you with a nice, clean, and transparent background. And there you have it. Your image now has a transparent background, all done right inside Canva. This feature is super handy for creating standout graphics with clean edges. You can now download your image with its transparent background by choosing the appropriate file format, such as PNG, to preserve the transparency. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that you feel more confident using Canva's background remover feature for your design projects. Keep experimenting and happy designing!